This is RICKY, the YouTube tech guy. Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to measure your blood pressure with the Galaxy S9. Now this recently became a lot easier, so I want to redo the video. And basically, if you just go to the Samsung Health app now, it leads you to the My BP lab. Now, basically, currently right now, you are measuring your blood pressure, but you're becoming part of a study, and that is the only way to do it. Now, this is good because it's going to basically gather the findings and see if this really is a good source of blood pressure. And it asks you questions, and again, you have to agree to all this, but it's for a good cause, so not bad either way, and you get your blood pressure through your phone. So once you tap here, it basically takes you to the download link, tells you about it and how it's going to do it and all the details basically. But that'll just take you to the link from the Google Play Store. So once you open it up, you are going to go, and the easy way is just to get started. Now there's lots of things like history check-in, insights, profile, all that kind of stuff that you will fill out. But if we're just going to check out the blood pressure, that's what we're going to do right now. So measure it. And you want to do it the right way. So basically, I like to do it with my left hand just because, again, I just think it's always better to do it with your left hand, just like with the cuff. And basically, you're going to press it right here. So you're going to have your finger right there. And you want to curl it up, basically, as it shows. And there you go. So now it is complete. And right now I'm a bit above it. It might be because I held my arm at a very weird angle to do this on a video. But basically usually I'm actually negative on it, so my blood pressure is pretty good. But you can basically then hit done, and you can even tell it like what you just did. Are you resting? Are you exercising? Are you moving up and down the stairs? All that kind of stuff. And obviously that will change and have the recordings be more accurate. But yeah, all the times you can do it. You can see again the history of it, where it was. Although it's having an issue with that. I'm not sure if it's just, yeah, see my negative was the other day. But again, this is a study, so you might not get all your information as you normally would when it happens. But just depending on how often you do it, you're supposed to do it twice a day for this study. And again, just fill out things here and there. So you can do a check-in morning and a check-in night. And overall, I think it's a good thing to use and test out. And it's always good to know about your health. All right, guys, let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. I will leave a link to the app itself in the comments or in the description. So if you want to just go ahead and straight download it, then just feel free. All right, guys, thank you as always for watching. This has been RICKY, the YouTube tech guy. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, why don't you go ahead and subscribe up there. Make sure you follow us on social media right here. And of course, check out our latest video up there. And right down here, you're going to find the perfect video for you. Or at least that's what YouTube tells me. Thanks again.